welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's soap making video, I am making the bubblegum milkshake. First thing I did is I added 2 tablespoons of 𝐂𝐤𝐬 and clay to my oils, and now I'm adding the lye water solution. And I'm gonna blend until I reach emulsion. Now that everything is well incorporated, I'm adding the bubblegum fragrance oil from 𝐒𝐬𝐬𝐿 Aromatics. So here I'm splitting this soap batter into 3 separate containers, one for the blue, one for the pink, and one for a white. My first color is white, so we're going to be using titanium dioxide to reach that perfect white color. In my smaller containers, I have a pink mica and a blue mica, which are both going to be light pastel colors. I'm going to be starting by pouring in my base color, the white, and we're doing a drop swirl today. So we're going to be pouring up from up high the blue batter and the pink batter. After pouring in all the soap batter, I'm making a cute little design on the top. Now that everything is done, I put the soap aside to allow it to set and prepared the soap frosting. And for today's color, we're gonna go with a base white color. So as you can see, for the soap frosting, I decided to go with a very simple round piping tip to make this beautiful. And now I'm going to be adding the bubblegum gummy bears. For the gummy bears, I decided to go with the same accent colors that of the ones that are in the soap. So we have a pastel blue and a pastel pink. They are super cute, and I'm gonna give you a close-up later on. Since this is a milkshake soap, we have to add little paper straws. They're so cute. So to top off this soap, we're gonna sprinkle it with a whole bunch of biodegradable fairy dust mica. We are going to finish it off by spritzing some rubbing alcohol on the top. Here's a close-up of the soap. Look at those gummy bears, super cute. 24 hours later, I am finally back and we can cut this beautiful soap to reveal the design on the inside. Would you look at that? Look at those pastel colors. I am so happy that they didn't mix, they didn't smudge. It's perfect. That drop swirl looks amazing. I do have to mention that the bubblegum fragrance oil from 𝐒𝐬𝐬𝐿 Aromatics that I use in this soap did tan some part of the soap, not everywhere, so we have an additional light tan color, it is still very pretty. So what I love the most about drop swirls is that every part of the soap, the design inside is all going to be different. So as you can see on one side of the soap, the design is already completely different, and that's what makes a beautiful drop swirl. So here I just wanted to show you guys my little stamping process and a close-up of the soap. Thank you so much for watching my soap making video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a little thumbs up, and if you like to, you can always subscribe to see more of my soap making videos. Until next time!